Okay, so what's gonna happen first is Gary's gonna call my phone with his phone. It's gonna fall down, letting this gun, making it swing down, hit the car. The car's gonna roll down, hit the dominoes. The dominoes are gonna hit the pencil, which will make the pencil knock out of the way.
And the ball will roll down. This ramp that we made, hit that wedge, which will turn on the power switch, which will make this shoot air, making this car move with the knife on top of it and pop that balloon.
I'm Sahelijo. That's Gary Snarf. That's Tim Grote. He's gonna call the phone, and let's hope it works.
I'm gonna take a left. And then remember, when you get down to the bottom, we're going right. Yes! You can stop filming now.
Oh my god, it snapped. That went without it being called. Why isn't this working? Alright, I'm Sahelijo. That's Gary Snarf.
That's Tim.
That's Tim. He's gonna call.
What a hunk!